What are the common failures of the HVAC system? This is a question we hear from homeowners in Pflugerville, Texas, when their heating or cooling suddenly stops working during extreme weather. Most HVAC failures are not random. They usually trace back to improper installation, skipped maintenance, or small issues that were ignored too long. Common problems include incorrect refrigerant levels, dirty coils, leaky ductwork, electrical component failures, clogged drain lines, and poor system sizing. When installation shortcuts are taken or routine service is skipped, major components like compressors and motors are forced to work harder than they should. In Central Texas, HVAC systems run hard for long stretches of the year. Heat, dust, and heavy usage amplify small issues quickly. A dirty coil or minor refrigerant problem can turn into a costly breakdown fast if it is not addressed early. If your system is struggling, making unusual noises, or not keeping up with the temperature, it is best to have it checked before a small issue turns into a major repair. Altruistic AC heating and plumbing helps you catch problems early and keep your system running reliably when you need it most.